going on YouTube? It is Taylor Reacts here, and we are back with more Hoodmeal reaction videos on this channel. I know y'all have been begging and begging and begging for me to bring these videos back, so here we are. But before we get into this video, if you guys are brand new to this channel, make sure y'all smash the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, turn on those post notifications. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna react to... I already see like some disgusting stuff, alright? So we're gonna react to this right here because like I see the lineup and it's looking crazy. So let's get into it.
God damn.
Hold on. Wait. Ew. What is this? What is this? Is that ants or termites or gnats? What is that? Look.
God damn.
What the fuck? Look.
Ham and cheese.
Those are maggots. Those are maggots.
Chocolate cheese. I think it'll roll.
It's moving. Wait, hold. Bro. This is so...
What is that? Country fried steak. Maggots everywhere.
Ew, maggots everywhere. Why did he just smack it like that? Like, this is so nasty and disgusting. Like... And I know Hoodmeals has a new RV. Like, I know you got a new RV. I've been keeping up with you. I know you got a new RV. Why does your refrigerator look like this, though? Like, this is so disgusting. Wait, hold on. Just came back and lights was off. I don't know about this one. I don't know about it either. Like, somebody said, bro, living like Trevor from GTA. Oh, my God. That is true. Why is he cleaning barefooted? This is too much. That's way too much. Listen, this is the thing though, right? You can leave your house. You can literally leave your house, wherever you live, apartment, trip, like whatever. If it's clean and you come back, like, it should not look like this. This is just unsanitary and dirty. Like, it's filth. Ew, this is so nasty. Like, y'all know when y'all see something gross and like it feels like you get little goosebumps. It's like your flesh is crawling or something. That's exactly what it feels like. This is so disgusting. Hoodmeals, stop, please stop. Before we get into part 2, what is this? This is wasting my time. What are you lighting? This song fits it. Look! The top of the fridge! What is he doing? What? How is the door just... Whatever. Whatever. Nah, this is disgusting. Like, you should not be leaving food just sitting like this. Like, this is the thing that I've noticed about Hoodmeals, right? He don't have a plan. Like, he don't have a plan, right? You get food, you just throw it in there. Like, it's unsealed, it's unwrapped. Like, it's unpackaged. You just throw it in there. Like, you don't even like put it in like a Tupperware container or like fold it in some Reynolds wrap or a plastic bag or something. Like or a Ziploc bag. Like, you don't do none of that. You don't even have a plan. You just throw it and go. Like, that's literally what you do. You throw it and go. And I know he's gonna cook with that. I know he's gonna cook with the spatula later. It's stuck. Nah, bro. That's you really need to just get a whole new. This is nah. My God, I don't even want to see this. Bugs flying and shit, like. Is that mold? Bro, just pick it up. Why are you using it? Like, just pick it up. It's not even stuck. Is that monkeypox? Hold on. What the fuck you got going on? Ew. It's not a Hoodmeals TikTok without him showing his feet. Like, ew. What is this? This is just disgusting, bro. Look. Oh my God. I hope none of y'all, like, look at this. Rewind. I hope none of y'all are eating watching this video. Please don't ever eat watching these Hoodmeal videos. Because you're going to lose your appetite ASAP. Like, you're literally going to lose your appetite. Don't even just put your food to the side. Wait till the video's done. Maybe take about 5-10 minutes to just kind of like collect your thoughts and like just erase what you just seen out of your mind and then pick your food back up and eat it. I strongly advise y'all to not eat food watching this video. Literally. Because this is disgusting. This is crazy. Like, whew. Are these termite eggs stuck? I don't even know. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I don't know what that is. What's the point of that? Like, just throw the whole refrigerator away. Don't do what I think you're about to do. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just watching this, it just make I feel like some shit. I feel like something's just crawling on me. Like, ugh. That's what I feel like. Like, ugh. Nah. That's gotta stop. That has got to stop. But listen, this is gonna end the reaction video. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the entire video. If you guys are brand new to this channel, brand new watching this video, make sure y'all smash the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, turn on those post notifications, comment down below. All right, we got more Hoodmeal reaction videos coming to the channel. All right, make sure you guys are tuned in, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Nigga, we move a walk. Every time we hit the spot, these niggas know shit in the game. You sloppy, pulling yourself out, cause that's how you book 'em a stay. Niggas, they watch me like how I sit on the top. My shooters be putting in pain. If I tell them do it, they cook up an egg. Shoot from a close and leave from the rain. We move a walk. Every time we hit the spot, these niggas know shit in the game. You sloppy, pulling yourself out, cause that's how you book 'em a stay.